Right, good morning, grade 9s. Right, now we're going to look at common factors. Okay, so we've done factors. Now we're looking at common factors. Right, so let's have a look. If we were to write the factors of 6 and 8, let's say 6 would be 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Have a look which ones are common to both. Common to both is 1 and 2. So we would say 1 and 2 are common factors. Okay, they are factors to both. Right, so we've done this before, and you remember we did a thing called the highest common factor. Okay, HCF, which stands for highest common factor. So in this case, the highest common factor would be 2. Right, let's try another one. Let's try 12 and 15. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, the factors of 15, 1, 2 won't work, 3, 4 won't work, 5, 6 won't work, 7 won't work, 8 won't work, 9 won't work, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so which ones are the common ones? 1 and 1, 3 and 3. That's it. So in this case, which is the HCF? The highest common factor is 3. Okay, so you take the highest one, which is common to both. So let's have a look here. When we start now adding variables, okay, we're going to have, if we got 6a squared and 15a cubed. Okay, let's have a look at the numbers. Which number can go into both 16 and 15, the highest number? So we know 6 is 2 times 3, and a squared is a times a. Okay, so we know that. 15, we know if we put it in our prime numbers, it's 3 times 5 times a times a times a. Okay, so you always try and use prime numbers, okay, which is the ones that are only divisible by themselves and 1. Right, so let's have a look here. What number can go, if we look at the numbers, what number can go into both 6 and 15? Okay, and we see that 3 can go into both. Okay, then we've got an a squared and an a cubed. So let's say a. We cannot have a third a here because it's only a squared. So the highest common factor for these two is 3a times a, which is then 3a squared. Okay, so you can break it up like that if you need to, or you can immediately see that a number that goes into 6 and 15 is obviously 3, and you've got an a squared then an a cubed. You cannot say a cubed because there's only 2 here. Okay, but you can get 2 out of there. Doesn't matter about the third one. Okay, let's try another one. If we've got 12x cubed y to the 5 and 15x to the 4y squared. What number, without writing it out now, what number can go into 12 and 15? Can 5 go in? 5 can't go into 12. What about 3? 12 divided by 3, yes. 15 divided by 3, yes. So we really can see that the number is 3. But now have a look here. We've got an x cubed and an x4. In other words, there's 3 x's there and there's 4 x's there. So the highest that we can take is x cubed. I cannot say x4 because there's only 3 there. And 3 fits into 4. And then we've got y to the, is it a 5 or an 8? What did I put there? 5. A 5. Let's try and make it nice and clear. That's not much better, but anyway, I've got y to the 5 and y squared. I can take out a y squared. I can divide by y squared. Okay. Like I said, you can write it out like that if you need to, if it'll be easier for you. Let's try this one. 36a squared b to the 3 and 12a cubed b. Right, so let's have a look. What number can go into 12 and 36? Can 12 go into 36? 12, 24, 36. Okay, 12 can go into 36. So the HCF there is 12. Now we've got an a squared and an a cubed. The highest we can take out, divide by, is a squared. Okay, and we've got a b cubed and a b. So the highest one that we can take out is actually just a single b. Okay, so we can divide by b. Can't take out 3 because there's only 1 there. Okay, right, so a little bit tricky for you to try these, but practice makes perfect. So let's try, for homework, exercise 18.2 on page 236, and I want you to do number 1, A, E, F, H, J, K, and M. Okay, and we'll mark them. I'll give you the memo. Good luck.